Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. So today's plan is to get the final assembly done on the chassis for this Tamiya M-05 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, get it all finished off. And I think I'm actually going to have the chance to get the body painted up. So I think I picked the colors out, just got to get it painted. And on the next video that you see, I guess the next Tamiya Tuesday, I will do a full reveal. During the little opening video, the wheel seized up. So I was trying to figure out why the wheel kept seizing up. Well, it turned out that the dog bone had popped out, and it all came down to a little rubber washer. On step 7, when you put in the cup, you got to put in this little black rubber washer, then you put the dog bone in. If you don't put this washer in, you run the chance of having the dog bone back out. When it backs out, everything binds up and your wheel freezes like mine did. During final assembly, I will put together the Tamiya wheels that came with the kit. I do have Traxxas drift tires on here, and the only reason I put the drift tires on is, I don't know, 1, just to have a little fun, but 2, just wanted to test everything out in my garage. So drift tires, things not going to go very far. Step 19 and 20, it's setting up all the electronics. Quite frankly, it was easier to do this off camera because there was a little bit of tinkering needed to get the steering and everything else adjusted. But the one thing that you should know, Tamiya provided a correction card. When you're mounting the servo, you got to use this little plastic piece here. You got to use some 18mm long screws. Yeah, and that'll get everything in. So this is an updated piece, so make sure you're following the correction card. And besides centering the servo, getting the servo horn, everything else on, really not much else to step 19. Step 20, same thing, just really getting the 2 side panels on. 4 screws hold that on, no big deal. And then just getting everything hooked up. Again, adjusting your main link. This way everything measures up. The ESC, just double stick tape, holds on to one plate that you install. Your receiver hooks up to the other side. Double stick tape, nice and easy. And steps 21, 22, just get into the tuning of the suspension and the actual wheel assembly. And Tamiya provides the wheel. The wheel wraps around some foam, and then this is the actual tire. Now the tire is more so a slick. There's really no tread pattern on here. Actually, there is no tread pattern on here, but they feel plenty grippy. But I'm gonna go ahead and use these with the provided wheels. These all need to be glued, so I want to take my time. I'll assemble these off camera, and you'll see the finished product on the reveal video. When you get on the step 23, make sure you follow the M-05L because that's what you're building. So make sure you find this and follow along. Just 2 bearings with the axle stub, and just screw on the tire. This is front wheel drive, so the back tire just spins. So I'm on step 24. Step 24 is just getting these 2 side pieces on. I think this is actually to hold the battery in place. So I'll go ahead and put that on. BC7, and it looks like they're held on with a couple of the BC1 screws. Also, don't forget the BC7 washer. So go ahead and get 24 done. Alright, so those little side battery pieces are on. The other part of step 24 is getting on these body posts. Okay, and then step 26 just gets into the body posts again for the front, and with some little clips, just holds the bottom of the battery tray on. So everything is assembled. I put an antenna tube in there just for now. I'll see how everything fits up with the body. But guys, this is done. The chassis, the assembly, everything is done. I'll start working on getting this body prepared, get it ready for paint. Alright guys, but if you liked what you saw, please click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. I'll see y'all soon.